Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Melinda Puji Rahayu, NIM 201221094, kelas BKI 2C. Cinderella. Once there lived a beautiful girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters. They treated Cinderella badly. Every day she had to do all the household chores alone. One day, a letter from the kings came to their house. They and all the girls in the kingdom were invited for a grand ball in the king's palace, and the prince would be choosing a wife. However, Cinderella's stepmother did not give her permission to go. She was asked to help both her stepsister with their dress for the ball. They then went to the ball, leaving Cinderella at home disappointed. Cinderella felt very sad and burst into tears. Suddenly, a very good mother approached and said, "Do not cry, my dear. I will send you to the ball." Cinderella was surprised and said, "I do not have a gown to wear for the ball." The fairy good mother waved her magic wand, and instantly her old rags were turned into a beautiful gown. Cinderella was also given a pair of beautiful eyeglass slippers by the fairy good mother. Cinderella asked, "How will I get there?" The fairy good mother looked around and found a pumpkin and 6 mice. She waved her magic wand and turned them into a golden coach, 4 black horses, and 2 coachmen. Cinderella was thrilled to set off for the ball. Before leaving, the fairy good mother said, "Cinderella, the magic will only last until midnight, so you must get home immediately." The play done. When Cinderella entered the palace, everybody was impressed by her beauty. The coming prince was also attracted by her beauty. He came up to her and asked, "Do you want to dance with me, lady?" Cinderella said, "Yes, my prince." The prince danced with her all night, and nobody recognized her, not even her stepmother and stepsister. She was so happy to dance with the prince that almost forgot what the fairy good mother and said. All the last moment, Cinderella remembered her fairy good mother's word and said, "Oh, I am sorry, my prince, I must go." As she left the palace hurriedly, one of her glass slippers came off. She kept running and did not turn back for it because she did not have much time. When she arrived at home, the clock struck 12. And all the magic spell all dispersed. His stepmother and stepsister come home shortly after that. They were talking about the beautiful lady who had been dancing with the prince. Meanwhile, at the palace, the prince had fallen in love with Cinderella. He wanted to find out who the beautiful girl was. He looked down and found a glass slipper that was left by the girls. I will find the girl whose foot fit the slippers. She will be the one that I marry, said the prince. Next day, the prince and his servants took the glass slippers and went to all the houses in the kingdom. They asked all the women in the kingdom. They asked all the women in the kingdom to try it on. But Cinderella, stepsister, also tried the glass slippers. They tried to squeeze their feet and push hard into it, but the servant was afraid that it would break. At last, it was only Cinderella who had not tried the glass slippers. Her stepmother would not allow her to try it on. However, the prince saw her and said, "Let's her also try on the slipper." The slipper fit her foot perfectly. The prince finally recognized that she was the girl who was dancing with him. He then married Cinderella and together they lived happily ever after. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.